tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namami buddhang sadanam tam satta sada hontu sukhi avira ayo jidutro sakalo durando yaccanti sabbi maranam ahanca. Namami dhammang sugatena desitam satta sada hontu sukhi avira kayo niduccho sakalo jugando gaccanti sabbi maranam ahanca. Namami sanghang muniraja savakam satta sada hontu sukhi avira kayo jiduccho sakalo jugando gaccanti sabbi maranam ahanca. Sabbitiyo vivaccantu sabba rogo vinassatu mate bhavatvantarayo sugirigayako bhava abhivadana silissa niccang vaddha pacayo cattaro dhamma vaddanti ayuvanno sukham balam ayurarogya sampatti sagga sampatti mevata ato nibbana sampatti iminate samicchati. Dear friend, yes, we prayed, we recited holy words uttered by our great master, Lord Buddha Sakyamuni Gautama. By doing so, of course, we accumulated a lot of benevolent good thought, insight. Of course, they are the merits which would help us for our sustainability, for our long life. Therefore, of course, it was a good opportunity to meet great master of this temple because of our student, Mr. Prabhat. He purposely arranged his visit to your great temple to build up a good Dhamma relation with Master, with you, so that by doing this great chanting, of course, we have accumulated good thoughts, which we call in Buddhism punya. All those wholesome thoughts be upon Master, you and our friends. With the help of that merit, may you be well and happy, may you be free from suffering. At the end of your life, may you attain liberation. With that sincere wishes, sincere aspiration, let me conclude this small chanting ceremony. Thank you so much for joining with me in this ceremony. Arigatou gozaimasu.
はい。
あるじゃないですか。
はい。